Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M32 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now choose display, scroll all the way down and tap on easy mode. Over here click on the switcher to activate it and wait. As you can see, easy mode is now turned on. If you wish to go back to the normal one, you can always go into the same settings, choose display again, scroll all the way down, tap on easy mode and click on the switcher to deactivate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!